Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to balance the audio in your brain. So for past some weeks I was experiencing that I am hearing quite a lot of sound from my left hand side but not that much sound from my right hand side speaker, and first I thought that it may be a fault of amplifier that I am not hearing the balanced audio, but upon inspection everything was looking fine, and I also checked the decibels with my phone where I am sitting in the middle of those speakers, and when I played an audio from the left side, it was showing the same decibels that was shown when I played the audio from the right hand side. So it made me believe that I might be having some hearing issues, uh, or maybe due to whatever reason. So I decided to use the equalizer APO to balance the audio in my mind. So in a good stereo setup, you don't hear left or right explicitly, but apart from the deliberate effect. Otherwise, in common situation, what you are hearing is the audio cancelling each other at the middle. So you kind of hear the audio from all sides, not a specific direction. So what we can do is we can go into the equalizer APO editor, configuration editor, and let's click on the plus control. Now first we have to tell which channel we are going to equalize. So I am going to reduce the volume of my left hand side channel. So I am going to click on L. So now everything that's going to be affected on this channel. Now let's click on plus again, and let's go to the control. Where is it? Preamplification. So plus basic filters and preamplification, and let's click on that. Now we have another window. Let me drag this one above it. Now in the left hand side channel we are going to reduce the preamplification to the point it's ideal to play an audio and adjust it where you find it, find the sweet spot. So even if you don't have any hearing issue that I am facing nowadays, maybe your sitting is not exactly in the center and you don't want to hear loud sound from one of the speakers, so you can equalize it from here. So this way you can balance the audio, balance your brain. Thank you very much for watching.